Hello friends, this is Kiran Kumar. Today I am going to make a detailed review on my first electric bike from Cityglide bike. So friends, let's watch. Hello friends, you are watching my first electric bike which I have received from Cityglide. It is Boost E30 Plus. The cycle just arrived 2 days before and I have spent a lot of time assembling it with the cycle mechanic. And here is the cycle which you can look. It looks great and the frame is black in color and wheels are pretty fat. The tires are pretty sturdy and the bike looks cool. Friends, now let's see the instrument cluster given on the handlebar. Let us focus on the throttle given here. The throttle is quite ergonomic and looking good, quite comfortable. And here is a button given here. You can just on and off the electric supply to the hub motor. When you on it and twist the throttle, your bike starts moving. And here no many controls are given and very simple console you can see here. There are no extra power controls such as pedal ease, horn, light, buttons, etc. The company has given a separate handle mounted lamp here. When you press this button, you can make your cycle lamp to go continuously on, otherwise you can make it go on and off, and you can also make it flicker. This lamp looks awesome. Now let's see the hub motor performance when I twist the throttle here. The hub motor revs up on twisting the throttle. The hub motor produces some servo sound. Friends, you are looking at the hub motor on the rear wheel. You can see the company claims that the motor is 250 watt motor with 32 newtons per meter torque. The motor is made by GoGo A1 brand and it is printed on the hub motor that it is 36 volts 250 watts 1706105 something. And the hub motor looks pretty good and it is waterproof too. And you can also look, the rear wheel doesn't have any gear provision here and they have given the rear disc brake also. The tire seems to be quite sturdy and strong with a lot of grips here. The saddle is quite soft for comfort and there is a hole here for better comfort of the rider. The battery given on the cycle is 36 volt Shark battery pack and it is quite ergonomic and aesthetic. It fits snug on the bicycle frame and it has a key provision where you can detach the battery from the cycle and you can charge it on your desk. And the battery is given 1 year warranty from the company. The company claims that the battery can be charged within 3 hours and afterwards the cycle is ready to take off. The battery is provided with a button here. When you press this button, you can see the amount of charge left on the battery. And other side of the battery, there is a flap given. If you open this flap door, you can see there are 3 ports here. Here you can see a USB port. You can charge your mobile phone or tab, and here is on off button, and here is a charging port given. Here you can charge your battery and it all charges within 3 hours. Now let us close this back. The crank wheel is of good make and chain is also looking good. The pedals are looking pretty aesthetic and ergonomic for comfortable pedaling. Friends, let us look at the front wheel here. The front wheel is given with quick release mechanism. Here you can remove the front wheel very easily by using this lever here, and the front wheel is provided with a nice disc brake too. The disc brake is quite sturdy and strong, and it was made by the brand Martis. The front wheel is also equipped with suspension. The suspension is quite sturdy. The suspension tubes are black, good enough and strong, and the fork is of steel type. Friends, let's see the test ride on this cycle. On this bike, Cityglide E30 Plus, the throttle seems pretty responsive. When I suddenly twist the throttle, the hub motor makes some jerking sound, but it goes away when on maximum rev. Now I am going at half the throttle speed. Gradually I will increase to the peak throttle speed. Let's see how fast the bike. Friends, now I am going to throttle. Bike is going approximately around 30 km speed.
సరాసరి నీ తోడు చేరని సరే 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 యదగల్ గల్ 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 మందిర అది లవ్ 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 తొందర హాయో మాయో ఒక అందమైన చందమామ కథ ఇది.
Friends, this is the charger which I got from the company. It is made by Untitled brand, Japanese brand I think, and the charger has a vent provided fan. Fan cools down the charger. There will be no problem of heating issue. And here I have plugged the cable into the battery. Now my bike is currently being charged, and it takes around 3.5 hours for completely charging the battery. And from the company I also received a number lock and 2 mud guards which I need to fit later. Hi friends, that's all about a review on Cityglide e-bike. And if you have any comments and queries, please post them on the comment box down. And the bike is available on cityglide.bike website, and it is having a price tag of just 26,000 rupees. And friends, keep watching my channel. Until then, bye bye, take care.